Welcome to a new day in the shop. Alright, I got back early from running some errands for my parents. I'm going to go ahead and get these things ready for paint. I'm going to go ahead and strip it with the stripper that I've been using, fiberglass paint remover. I don't know if you guys knew I was using this. I can't remember if I said it. I thought I did. So I'm going to strip both, then I'll do a quick sanding on them, and blah blah blah. You guys, you know the drill. All I'm doing with this is getting this top coat off. It looks like there's 2 coats on this. So I'm just putting enough paint remover to get those 2 top coats off. And then I will sand the rest of it. I don't know what these layers are, so that's why I'm just getting them off. Come on. Saves me a lot of time on sanding. It really does. Looks like a clear coat of some kind that was put on here. Alright. Now I'm going to go rinse this bad boy off. Doing this outside on the ground because I got no other place to do it. Alright. I still have to hit this with I've been using 320, so I'm going to hit it with 400 because that's what I picked up today. I'm all out of the 320. So to speed this up, I'll do it off camera. I'm going to hit this up with 320 or 400, whatever I have over there, and prime it after. So I got to go in the house and cook some dinner and get the kids fed and myself. So I'm just going to quickly prime this one cover up. That's done. And that's it. One back cover primed. It's a lot of work. Well, that's all I have for today. I better be careful. I don't want to back up into that stuff. You all have a great day, night, morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. And God bless you all. Thank you to all the subscribers. Bye-bye.